ATC positions for events. When you first open the web page, it'll look something like this. Position requests can be made under the Charts and Controller Tools tab. In order to access this page, you will first have to log in. If you haven't already, please DM Baby Wolf with your login credentials, including an email, which will only be used for login, a password, also used for login, as well as a username, which will be used or shown when you agree to supervise someone else. After logging in, your page will look something like this. More things are to come on this page, such as the charts, but for now, open the position requests dropdown. Please keep in mind that only about 10 people or so at once can access this dropdown, so when you're not using it, please make sure to close the dropdown, or if you want it out of your way, to hide the dropdown. It can be reopened by clicking this text in the top bar. In the position requests dropdown on the left is where you'll make your actual position request. Put your Discord nickname or any nickname which is recognizable as you on the Discord server, and then select your requested position to control. Only positions which you are able to control should appear on this drop-down list. So please contact an ATC instructor if additional positions which you cannot control happen to appear here. This checkbox should be checked if you need a supervisor, whether for a trainee role or for proficiency, and then click Submit. When there is no active event, a text will appear, and the position request will not be submitted. When an event is in progress and you submit your position request, it will be submitted through to the database, and the event host will be able to see your request. After the event host assigns you to a position or any other controller, the assigned controllers and their respective airports as well as positions will appear under the lists on the right. For controllers who need supervision, all requests will appear under the Need Supervisor list. Eventually. When controllers are under the Need Supervisor list, a red box will appear. And if you are eligible to supervise them, as in you have a high enough rank, you can click the box to open this pop-up and agree to supervise them. After agreeing to supervise a controller, eventually their position request will disappear from the Need Supervisor list. And after the event host has assigned them to a position, they will appear again on the right side. In order to see who is supervising that controller, as well as confirm that you are their supervisor, hover your mouse over their position request or their assigned position. Since the data takes a little bit of time to update, there is the possibility that multiple people may have clicked the supervise button before it disappeared from the Need Supervisor list. So please just ensure that you are the controller supervisor by hovering over that box. Supervisors can also be assigned from the assigned positions list. If an event host decides to assign a position to someone who still needs supervision, the box will appear in a bright red. This color is subject to change as it is a bit of an eyesore. Here you can click the to supervise, and the supervise button will appear in the bottom right, as well as confirmation of who you're supervising and for what position. This function is not yet filtered by what rank you are, so please do not agree to supervise someone who is above you or who you are ineligible to supervise. After clicking supervise, the box will change color and you can hover over the box once again to see who is supervising them. Once again, since the data does take some time to update, again, check to make sure that you are their supervisor. It is suggested that you coordinate who is supervising who on Discord so that there is less confusion and less chance of multiple people clicking the supervise button for one controller. But of course, this is not required. Just double check who the supervisor is beforehand. That's about it for requesting positions at events or for events. Thanks for listening to this a bit unedited version, and we'll see you on the scopes.